Go, run! Zoe, let's use it.
Caleb and Ava, did you guys eat?
Not yet. They're waiting for everything to get done.
Oh, Ava, I opened the groceries. Oh, them are so good. She's seen the potatoes. You like them potatoes, don't you?
Okay.
Okay, Ava, it's your turn. Whoa. Sam, your turn.
What in the world?
Let's eat it. Okay.
Ow, my eyes! Ow!
World.
That's right then. Give it to me.
8:30.
Ava, one fast.
8 o'clock. Maybe we didn't get around to it. I know
One.
it's a call.